till destiny finally ... To get our dots clear, either we bite the book or we compel the writer to talk more about her book and read a portion of it. Please welcome Neelam Saxena Chandra.
Thank you so much, Pratyush. At the onset, I would like to thank Liffey Publications for taking out such a fantastic novel. I just love my novel. Although I've written 11 books by now, this was one of my first novels, and I'm really in love with my novel. That is what I can say. I would like to add a little of English here. वक्त लिख रहा है शायरी, वक्त लिख रहा है शायरी, नोट के नीचे अलंकृत है स्नेह और प्रीत का नाम। वक्त लिख रहा है शायरी, नोट के नीचे अलंकृत है स्नेह और प्रीत का नाम। अल्फाज बिखर बिखर रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं आपको प्यार भरा सलाम। नीलम की तरफ से आप सभी को प्यार भरा सलाम। और चलिए मैं कुछ नॉवल के कुछ अंशज आपके सामने पेश करती हूँ। आशा है आपको ये पसंद आएंगे। इसके सार के बारे में शायद इन 2 लाइनों में मैं आपको कहना चाहूँगी। मोहब्बत को छुपाया भी न गया, मोहब्बत को छुपाया भी न गया, मोहब्बत को जतलाया भी न गया। जब नैनों के दरिया में निकल आए आंसू, उन आंसुओं को छलकाया भी न गया। ये सार है मेरी नॉवेल सोल सीकर्स का। Pia shouted, shrieked and wailed. The neighbors caught her and tried to control her hysterics. Her gaze fell suddenly on Piyush. His face exhibited no reaction. Shocked, she went and clasped him. His body was as devoid of response as his face. She again rushed and hugged her parents, turn by turn. She could not believe that they were no more. When their bodies were being taken to the mortuary, she ran after them. By that time, many of her relatives had arrived. They caught her and took her inside the house. Finally, she was administered shots of tranquilizers to calm down. The next few days were spent in performing the essential rites. She found herself organizing everything, right from the Havan to feeding the Pandits. Piyush had not taken any interest in any of the rituals or formalities. Not that she minded it, but she felt strange that he was so indifferent to everything, even in that delicate hour. After all their relatives had left and the formalities had been completed, she expected Piyush to exhibit some of his emotions. She assumed that he would hug her and they would talk about the good times their family had had. However, she was dumbfounded to find him watching television just a day later. Switching off the television, she screamed, "Piyush, what is this? Don't you feel anything? They were our parents, the most lovable parents in the world. You have neither shed a tear nor involved yourself in any of the ceremonies. We have only each other for blood relatives, and you don't even talk to me. How can you be like this?" Getting up angrily, he roared, "Why don't you mind your own bloody business? They never loved me, and I did not love them. It does not make any difference to me." While she stood there dazed, he had switched on the television once again, as if she never existed. She ran towards her room and lay down on her bed, watching her parents' photographs. This hurt her much more than any other grief. She had desired that he would cuddle her and tell her, "Everything is all right, dear sister. We are there for each other." It seemed impossible. She cried much more than on any other day. So friends, these were some lines from my novel. This was the first chapter. You'll have to buy the book, read on more about the novel. I would like to end with a word of gratitude for all of you. यूं तो हम सफ़र हमराज हैं, यूं तो हम सफ़र हमराज हैं, एक सुर में ढल रहे 2 साज हैं। आपस में तकल्लुफ़ का तकाजा नहीं, पर फिर भी आपके आमद के हम शुक्रगुजार हैं। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
थैंक यू सो मच नीलम। इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़ें, we have a time class has to be leaving us. and we are completely honored to have him on this.